Today's video, we're going to talk about LegitScript for Google Ads, or whether or not it's worth it if you're in a category like Rehab or Pharma, running an online pharmacy. Whether it's purchasing that $1,000 plus $1,000 a year fee for LegitScript to make your Google Ads run, given that's a requirement for these two categories now, including for CBD niche-related ads, or if you're in the CBD niche. I think a lot of you guys are just happy that Google's actually pulling their head out of the sand and willing to let you run ads for CBD, but in general, doesn't matter what category you're in here. I can tell you it is worth it every time, basically. If you're spending any kind of serious money at all on Google Ads, it is worth it for that legit script fee, and as well as the ringer that they're going to put you through at LegitScript to get the certification, which isn't that much, but it's definitely worth it to do. This comes from somebody who doesn't work for LegitScript or is a LegitScript fanboy. I don't give a shit about LegitScript, honestly. All I care about is how to get results with ads. I run an ad agency. So, just so you know that this isn't biased information, but it's just a necessary evil to be able to run ads in these categories now. I'll get into the why it is worth it for you to pay for the LegitScript certification to run Google Ads. And so basically you have everything you need to be able to move forward in your business, deciding whether you're going to run Google Ads for your business or not in these categories. So getting into the content, I could tell you for a fact, like I said before, running ads in the drug rehab space, that's the main one that most people are going to get it for. Or if you're running an online pharmacy, which less of you guys are getting it for, or potentially thinking about getting it for, or in the CBD category, which you can only do it in certain states, by the way, whether you can run ads for CBD in certain states. It's worth it, though, regardless of what category you're in here, to get the LegitScript certification so that you can run Google Ads, okay? In fact, it's actually far better than ever to get this certification in any one of these spaces to run your ads, as this certification has created a hurdle and moat around the businesses of the people who are legit, have legit operations, do want to pay for the fee, and understand the power of Google Ads, which I'm telling you the power of it here if you don't know it already, because it creates way less competition on Google Ads. Google Ads is not like a yellow page listing, whereas technically that also is a competition to get attention to people to call you on yellow pages if you were there. Google, yes, there's only so many people that are going to click on your ad out of the ads that are showing, but basically the more people that are trying to advertise on Google, the higher the cost per click goes. The higher the cost per click, the lower the ROI is going to be, for the most part. And so now half of the competition is gone, or more is gone in your niche, now that LegitScript is required to run ads in your niche. In fact, our cost per lead that we are generating in the drug rehab space is the same cost per lead that we're paying today in 2023 that it was in 2017 before this whole LegitScript certification thing was necessary to have to run ads in the drug rehab category, which gives you just a direct idea of, basically how good it is that LegitScript came up and that we have to do it now. Once it's a pain for me to convince the client that I have that wants to run ads for a rehab or for an online pharmacy or for a CBD company, but once I'm past that, it's great. My job is so much easier. There's way less competition, particularly in the drug rehab space, though, because in the drug rehab space, there's all kinds of brokers running ads and selling the leads onto the actual drug rehabs, which there's less clients to potentially work with, but the clients that we do have that are the actual rehabs themselves There's a third of the competition that there was, which is why with all the inflation, why we're paying the same cost per lead that we paid back in 2016, 2017, we're still paying that same cost per lead today. You don't have the competition, and the competition that we do have are the weak competition. The rehabs, which don't have cutthroat ad specialists and hardcore marketers running ads. Because if you were operating a brokerage of leads for drug rehabs, if you didn't know how to do marketing, you weren't in that business to start with. So all the best competition to compete against is now gone. Not just a lot of competition, but the hardest to beat competition is now gone. So if you're spending, basically, bottom line here, if you're spending more than $1,000 a month in advertising, or plan on spending more than $1,000 a month in advertising on Google Ads, you could have no problem making back the cost of this LegitScript fee if you know how to run your ads decently and your landing page decently that you're going to be driving this traffic to from Google Ads. You're never going to make a dime of it back, of this LegitScript fee, if you don't know how to advertise on Google Ads. And that's what this channel is about. So if that's of any question as to whether or not you know how to know what you're doing, watch this channel. I go through everything you need to know to make millions of dollars with your Google Ads. And I've set up hundreds of campaigns at this particular point on Google Ads and have made millions, dozens of times at the very least, starting from scratch and building businesses up on Google Ads. So, and we do it on contingency for clients on top of that, which should tell you something about what we're doing here. But there isn't any way that for your online pharmacy, for your drug rehab, to not make money on Google Ads if you just put the time in to set the ads up the right way. You got to know how to set up the ads the right way, and you got to be able to put the time in to set up the ads the right way. So you got to work hard and you got to work smart. Most people that don't make money are trying to spend 15 minutes setting up their ads and expecting the world. The person who makes it work and is in that top 20% of people advertising in your space, where there's 4 ads at the top of Google, but there's really 10 ads cycling in and out of those spots, is going to be the person who gets their ad clicked through at a higher rate, and the traffic they're driving to their site to buy at a higher rate. And if you could do that better, Google promotes you more than anybody else, gives you the better quality people, which the people that are the most likely to convert, they want the person who does the best in those 2 areas that I just described to get those clicks. And so you can either, by being Google's favorite, you can end up making most of the money off of Google Ads. For the most part, 10 to 20% of the people make most of the money on Google Ads, and then the rest either make a little to none or none at all. And so it's basically only worth your time doing it if you're going to do it the right way, or want to try to do it the right way. And it's not hard at all to be in that top 20% if you just give half a damn about what you're doing and you spend a little bit of time to at least understand the type of things that users want so that you're in that 20%. And like I said before, you're competing against other rehabs now, not brokers of leads that sell leads or whatnot. So you don't have to worry about, you don't have to be super good. You just got to understand the basics on how to do better than your competition and put some time in it up front, and then your campaign should just work after that. If you're curious, though, how to do this for the drug rehab space in specific, I've ran multiple campaigns in this space. It's copy-paste results for you at this point, for the most part. Reach out to my agency, and I'll tell you exactly how to get those results. And for these other areas, obviously it's not so cut and paste, but you can reach out to me and I'll tell you how to get results in those areas as well. But that's pretty much it as far as like what I could tell you about LegitScript, and hopefully that puts things into perspective for you. If you liked the video, I'd really appreciate it if you would give it a like and consider subscribing to this channel, because if you are, like I said, trying to make a lot of money with ads, this channel has everything you need, as it's coming from somebody who runs dozens of ad accounts on an ongoing basis for clients in which we have to guarantee their results. So you're getting information straight from the source, not from a YouTuber who makes money off of YouTube clicks, but somebody who runs an ad agency for a few dozen clients and ad accounts that and a few dozen ad accounts that we manage for those clients on an ongoing basis. So it's the best information you're going to find on YouTube, as well as basically online on what works to make millions of dollars with Google ads, Facebook ads, and so forth. If you like my work here, you'll also like my blog at guaranteeppc.com/blog, where you'll also find other information for myself on how to make money with ads online, as well as on my column at entrepreneur.com. You can follow me there and get great information for myself there as well. If you have anything I covered today that is still a question, or have any other ad-related questions, leave me a comment below. I get back to every single person who leaves me a comment on this channel, usually within a couple days' time. I do that as a way to give back to my viewers, and just love to be able to help out in general, the public. Beyond that, if you are looking for an ad manager who can set you up the best ads, as I mentioned before, we offer that service specifically. I work directly with clients in getting great results for them, and we actually don't charge fees up front until we get you a certain amount of minimum results with your campaigns up front, of which I'd love to be able to offer you if you have a great product or service that you're trying to market. And with that, if you reach out to me at my firm at guaranteeppc.com, I'll give you a free assessment on what you're doing, how much sales results we can bring you, and then what we can actually guarantee for you up front if you reach out to me. We don't work with just any client. You have to have something that looks, that can be successful, but I'd love to be able to see if we can work together at the very least, and do so if you have a good operation there. Beyond that, if you are just looking to shortcut what it takes to get results in your market, as mentioned before, if we've worked in your market, which I've worked in the drug rehab space as well as these other spaces, if you would just like to use the campaign templates that we've gotten results in your market before, we sell those as well. You could literally copy paste those same results into your own ad account to get similar results for yourself. If you want to know what kind of results we've got in your market specifically, and how you'd like to, or what you're trying to do, and then using our templates, reach out to me at my firm. I'd be happy to share that information with you on what results we're getting in your exact niche or field, and with the templates that we have for your specific area of business where you're operating. I'll tell you up front what results you can get with the templates we have, and the landing page templates and ad templates we have, and the price that we have for those templates that already get those said results for your market that you can use for your own company and copy paste those same templates into your account for yourself. With that said though, I'll wrap it up with that. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, you found it useful, and I'll see you on the next one. See you later.